How to reset your password on NanoBanana AI website. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, tap on the search bar and search for NanoBanana AI and navigate to its website. After you are in its website, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to reset your password, you need to head over to the sign in page. Tap on this 3 lines icon in the top right corner. Select the sign in option. You must have already created your account before. First of all, you need to enter the registered email address. After that, tap on continue. Now it will prompt you to enter the password of your account. If you have forgotten your password and want to reset this, you can simply tap on this forgot password link. Tap on this. Now select this reset your password option. It will send you the verification code into your registered email address so you can check your inbox. Open up the mail from the NanoBanana. It will provide you with the reset password code. Copy this code. Now go back and paste the code over here. Now it will prompt you to set a new password for your accounts. You can create a new password. Make sure your password is secured and easy for you to remember. Reconfirm your password. Once you're done, tap on this reset password button. And there you go. Your password has been successfully changed. So that's a very easy process to reset your password on NanoBanana AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.